Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can crop a photo into a circle in Photoshop. So there's a couple of methods you can use to go about this, but for this tutorial, I'm going to be using an ellipse tool approach. So the way you can do this is that you can see down here, there's something called an ellipse tool. It's the circle here. But when you first log into Photoshop, it might look something like this, right? So instead of an ellipse tool, it's an rectangle like this. And if you want to change it to an ellipse tool, you just have to right click and then change it to an ellipse tool such as this, right? And now when you click on the ellipse tool, you'll see on the upper bar here, it'll change the view into an ellipse tool bar. Now you want to make sure that on this selection here, it says path and not shape, because if it's shape, you'll just draw a circle like this. So I'm just going to delete that. I'm going to change it to path. Now on path, if you want to, for example, crop the middle of this sun picture right here, I'm just going to click and hold, and then you'll see I'm making a circle. And I'm going to adjust this to be right there in the sun, right there. And when I'm done, I'm just going to let go of my click. Now you'll see we have this path selection here made. Now, the last thing we need to do is click on this, make selection. Click on the selection, click on OK. Now you'll see we have a selection here. Now the thing we have to do is go down here and then go click on layer mask. Just click on that, and now you'll see our picture has been cropped. Now it's good practice to go to the layer section here and then right click, and on right click go to convert to smart object. Now this will make the picture actually crop and not just a picture with a mask on top. If you like this video, please consider liking and also subscribing.